guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you guys missed me, like I missed you guys as well, and I've been off and on for some time. My vlogmas video stopped on the 19th or so. Ever since then I've been very busy with preparation to go to the village. We are currently in the village right now for the Xmas. And there's nothing fun here, like except the river. I just came out from the stream now. Anytime I come to the village, I like to bathe in the stream. So look at this man. Don't know what he's doing there. So guys, my vlogmas stopped on the 19th because of. It's not even because of the stress of the vlogmas, but because I had a lot of things to do and I was not in the right frame of mind to film because I was so stressed out. So that's why I could not. So I stopped on the 19th for this year. So, but it's actually a good achievement because before last year I didn't even go 5 days, but today this year I went 19 days. So it's something to be proud of, you guys. So if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and give me a comment. And all of look at this sand here, this sand, this one, and that one, and this is all gotten from this river there, like the river that crossed this bridge. So that's one of the benefits we enjoy from this river, gravel and all of this stuff. See, prosper. So we are currently waiting for Hobby because he went to take his bath at the other side. You know, this river they have the side for male and for female. So he went to take his bath in the male side. So we're just waiting for him, and after that I guess we just go home and dress up. And I don't know, up till now that stuff that bites people still bites me in my husband's village. Like, where is that spot, Seth? This spot here now. Have you seen it? Just beat me there. Yesterday night it was here. Now here. Guys, that's what I go through in the village. Anytime I come back, I'm always guarding my skin from those bites. You guys, look at the glow. Like, look at that skin. Wow. Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is so many days later, like 4 days later, 5 days later, and you guys, I'm looking like a village girl. I just came back to Port Harcourt, and my people, village life is not for me. Like, I'm looking at my skin and face is looking quite okay, but not how I would want it to be. So I just came back and my house is filled with dust, you guys. We came back this morning. I've mopped the house, and right now I'm preparing the meal for today. So guys, today is 28th of December. So I'm just going to continue this vlog because there was actually, I was so busy in the village that I could not even pick up my camera to film, to vlog. Like, you guys, village life is not for me. So I came back, I took down my braid. I made knotless braid by myself, so I took that down, and I'm just going to wash this later on and maybe just do something nice. So right now there's this TikTok hack I saw. On TikTok. Let me just reduce the exposure of this stuff, please. It's too exposed. Okay, so this is better, this is nice. So there's this hack I saw on TikTok, and it's just about defrosing your frozen tomato in the oven. So the girl she wanted to make something like his tomato sauce, so she had to put her tomatoes in the oven and left it for some time, and the thing now defrosed and before she blended. So I'm trying that hack and it's actually working. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like right now. So guys, let's see. I'm not going to take my camera close to it. So this is what it looks like, and this tomato was rock solid. Like, see, they're actually defrosing. This tomato is actually rock solid. Like, it was so strong before now, but see, it's defrozen. So I can now say I've actually tried the TikTok hack that actually worked, and I'm going to continue defrosing my tomato this way because I'm tired of blending frozen tomato. It's not actually good for the blender. So I'm actually making rice and stew today, just so you can have something to eat and all of those stuff. So I hope you're enjoying the vlog. And if you've not subscribed, please wait to hit the subscribe button. What am I saying? Turn on your post notification and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a constructive comment and all of this stuff. So I'm thinking of doing like these two braids that you braid here and braid here. This feeding with extension. That is what is in my mind. But if I'm not able to do that, then I'm just going to do cornrows and hopefully wear wig in case I have anywhere important to go. But I don't think I do. So enjoy the vlog. So guys, this is the outcome of that defrosing your tomato in the oven. Like, you guys, I'm actually loving it. I was not patient enough for this water to dry because I want to blend, but the tomatoes are now extremely soft. So I'm just going to blend now and start making the stew. Let me turn off this fan so you can actually hear what I'm saying. So guys, this is how far we've gone. I'm actually done with this side now, and I'm here right now. And this is morning. I had to go to sleep because I was so stressed out. I was so stressed because we just came back yesterday, and after all those work I did, I decided to come and make my hair. So this is what we have here, and hopefully I'm going to finish it this morning. So I'm thinking of making it short here with bead. I think I'm having, let's check. Big looking shorter like this. Anyhow, so that's what we have. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. This is what it looks like. I had to coil some part of the hair, this part. So, and I just want to end this vlog here because is becoming too long, so I can edit it and post it. So if you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. You guys, I want you to tell me, give me video ideas on what you would like to see in my channel going forward from January till as much video idea as you can give me. Please do that for me, and I'll be very happy and glad that you did. So guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. Stay tuned, go nowhere, look out for my next video, and happy new year. Bye.